hobby ng kung ano-ano na naman. Ayan. Bibiti niya naman si hobby.
Choppy. Play.
19.
Oh.
Oh, because wala kami ng court at all court. 39. 19 and 39 because it's wood. It's a wood.
What do you want?
Yeah.
Those two?
And
Are they?
okay. Yeah. Yeah, it's good na yung that. Temporary. This guy. Pumpkin. Anything else?
Oh, do you want your crisps in normally have? Wherever they are.
How much is that get that?
Yeah, get one of them. It's a chocolate biscuit, Kit Kat.
Cute cut. Okay.
Yeah.
Give it my kids. Yes, that's my kids. My kids. Yes, that's very fresh. $6.79.
I rinsed it out.
And I have many
Goodies.
goods. On. Now, coffee now. Coffee, hot.
Oh, you got that off of me. Coffee. Didn't you?
Coffee's good.
I do not know. But you need something to cut it with.
More.
No, so we will go down to 7-Eleven to see what they got. Yeah. To cut it with. Yeah?
That means to them.
Oh, you need to stir. We need a spoon.
Yeah.
And I'm saying you now, knife, fork, spoons.
Knife?
Knife, fork, spoons, back home. Yeah?
Yeah.
Instead of trying to cut it with a spoon, you'll be cutting it with a...
Okay. What is that?
That is coffee, probably.
You bet. No?
No. I'll make one in a little while. Because I'm going to have one of these.
But I like this, hot. I like hot.
Well, there's no microwave.
No, I buy because hot, but no.
It's cold.
Cold.
See, very finicky wife. Very finicky. I bought because it was hot, but now it's cold. Obviously, she don't like.
What's the taste then?
It's good.
It's okay tomorrow.
Well, dunk it in your coffee like you
This
normally.
got very hot one. Very hot. Okay. I'm not alone living now.
And they are actually nice.
Nice?
Mm.
Oh.
Oh.
Than me?
Oh no, not as nice as you.
That's the taste.
Now you're going to make a mess.
Okay. No spoon.
No spoon. See, we need to go 7-Eleven.
No spoon, so I tasted what the taste.
It's good.
Mm.
Nice. Soft. Soft. Fluffy. Tender.
Mm-mm.
Just like you.
Mm-hmm. Got very hot.
You made it.
Yummy.
And my wife always gives me the leg. Because I love the legs.
Mm-hmm.
And the little booty.
Mm-hmm.
For those that don't understand that, your bum.
Nice. Sarap pala to. Sarap pala to, guys.
She's enjoying.
Mm.
Keep spoiling her too much.
It's good, right? Okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's called pandesal.
Different, but it's okay.
Pandesal is favorite of Filipino. Filipino bread,
Fav-
especially
Hang on.
morning.
Favourite of the UK.
Really?
Yeah.
Pandesal?
No.
It's called here pandesal. Filipino, especially in the morning. Coffee with pandesal, hot pandesal, not cold pandesal.
You are finicky. Stick a bit of butter in it and you're well away.
Either in you eat that and you
No, I don't
like
dunk.
this. No dunk. Eat then.
Because this one is a little dunker, especially with milk. Boom. Yes. See the face?
Enjoy.
Oh yeah. See what I mean? Give us the leg. Very nice legs.
My husband so gentleman naman eh. Hanggang ganyan lang siya. Very gentleman. So I'm not worried. I'm so comfortable to him.
You are.
Yeah.
But she can be
Very gentleman.
But she can be very wild.
I'm not a wild.
Just crazy. Nah, you're a big softie like me. Nice.
See? Now you learn.
No, now that would be a favourite for the UK. Would be if they did it.
Is it big?
That's okay. We just need something to cut it with.
What expiration?
Not yet.
That's 9/29, 2023.
So when is it?
September 29, 2023.
Well, it don't run out till the end of the month. So you're okay on that?
Till 29.
Yeah, the end of the month. So you're okay.
I eat 29.
No, you'll eat a bit. Because you like pineapple. Oh, and we have a load of watermelon in the fridge.
Yeah.
Yummy. Yeah.
Remember our dinner?
No, remember how to get there. It's not that way, it's that way.
Very, I don't know. But now, I think no, not often.
It will be open tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Well, it's only just gone 8 o'clock, so it will be open.
No?
Yeah.
I don't know.
You don't know.
I don't know.
You don't know?
I think no weekend. Saturday and Sunday.
Open.
No, not open.
Yeah, because that's the best selling days.
Oh, why close?
Because it probably didn't open till tonight.
Said stop there. Our owner, I don't know. Open every 5 a.m. to 12 noon.
Well, it's closing.
The first time, you remember first time with the driver?
Yeah.
There.
Okay.
Not very, very far the
You enjoyed that. One only. Oh, she's having another one, look. Oh my
I love
God.
that. Oh, it's a cake.
She likes her cakes.
Piano rolls.
And
You
she
know.
likes her bread, especially peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
Don't you? Mm? No, thank you.
No.
No, thank you. Camera or no camera, you eat. Otherwise, I'll put it down there and go and squash it. Then you'll need a shower. If I put that down there and go like that, you'll need a shower.
Yeah.
You eat. Enjoy. Sweet. Sweet lips. God, you got crumbs down here, babe. Good. Open wide. You better check the camera's got both of us in it.
No. No.
Enjoy. Good God. Sorry, can you say that without your mouth full?
Ice cream.
Sorry?
See? Yeah.
You're a little mucky pup.
Mucky pup.
Mm.
Like fun.
Oh, what? Yeah.
Huh?
Check the camera.
Yeah.
Because I may not be in it.